Finally, Cesar decides it's time to take Ivy out into the real world to experience the kinds of sounds that have triggered her in the past.
Okay, I'm in my house. This is in my neighborhood. This is the time where all the gardeners come. There's some construction going on, and 2 blocks away from my house. So we're gonna go and introduce Ivy. We're definitely making big progress in fear, and right now we're just going after the anxiety. Guys, this is war zone for her. All these big machines happening here, this big loud sound over here, I don't know what it is. All these big constructions here, all these cars, hear that sound over there. This is real. All right, turn it on.